Hello students, this is Shanatan sir. In the previous classes we started exercise number 5.16, division of a decimal number by a decimal number. We just completed up to question number A. But in this class we have to complete the story sum, question number B. So try to solve the story sum. All the story sum of question number B same. If you understand one story sum, then you can complete all the story sum. Okay, so try to solve question number 2 of B. Here is the question: the cost of 8 heaters. Cost of 8 heaters is 7599.60. So cost of 8 heater is 7599.60. We have to find cost of 1 heater. So if I asked you cost of 8 pin 16 rupees, so what is the cost of 1 pin? You can easily say it, cost of 1 pin always 2 rupees. So in this case we have to divide. So here we have to divide 7599.60 by 8, and you know how to divide this decimal number by a whole number. Here is 7599.60 by 8. Now here is only one digit, so check at first one digit, and it's less by 8, so we have to take 2 digit, 75. So 8 nines are 72. Now subtract 3 here. So 3 is less by 8, so we have to put another digit here. Here is 9. So now 8 fours are 32. Again subtract and we get 7. 7 again is less by 8, so we have to put another digit here, 79. So 9 8s are 72. Now here is 7. Now 7 is less by again 8, so we have to put another digit, but here is point, so you have to remove point, so put this point in this line. So now put this 6 here. So again 8 nines are 72. Now if we subtract here, we will get 4. Now put this 0 here. So 8 5s are 40. So our answer is 949.95. So the cost of 1 heater is 949.95. This is our answer. It's clear to everyone? In similar way, try to solve another question. Question number 4. Here is the given question. Mr. Chatterjee bought 15.5 liter of milk for 494.45 rupees. So cost of 15.5 liter of milk equal to 494.45 rupees. So what is the cost of 1 liter of milk? In this case we have to divide 494.45 by 15.5. Now you know how to divide this decimal number. 94.45 by 15.5. So here is denominator place is decimal number, so we have to remove from denominator place decimal. So here is one digit after point, so we have to multiply by 10. If we multiply by 10 in denominator, so we have to multiply by 10 in numerator. So here will be 155. Now in numerator we have to shift this point right side to one decimal place, so shift this digit to here. Now 494.5. Now divide this decimal number by whole number in similar way. So here is 4944.5 divided by 155. So here is 3 digit. So we have to check 3 digits. 494. So it's 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 5s are 15 and 1, 16, 6, carry 1, 3 1s are 3 and 1, 4. Now subtract, here is 9, carry 1, 6 1 7, 2. So we have to put another digit here because here is 3 digit and here is 2 digit. So put here point. Now 155. So again subtract, here is 9, 5 1 4 6 6 3 139. So 139 is 3 digit number, but it's less by 155. So we have to put another digit. So here is point. So move this point in this place and put here 5. Now it's 5 9s are 45, carry 4, 5 9s are 45 and 4 49, carry 4, 9 1s are 9 and 4 13. So our answer is 31.9. So cost of 1 liter milk is 31 rupees point 9 paise. Understood everyone? Now in similar way, try to solve another question. Try to solve question number 7 now. Here is the given question. Bhola ran 100-meter race. Each of his step was 1.25 meter. So think that this is total 100-meter race. So the length of this line from A to B is 100 meter, but Bhola goes to 1.25 meter. Think that from here to here 1.25 meter in every step. So this 1.25 meter, again next step he will go another 1.25 meter and so on. So what to do in this case? We have to count how many steps will go. Okay, so in this case we have to divide 100 by 1.25, and you know how to divide. We have to at first remove this point from here. So here is 2 digit after point, so we have to multiply here 100. Now similar way multiply here 100 also. Now 100 that means 10,000, but here is 125. Now it's divisible by 8 and here is extra 0, 8. So how many steps? It's 80 steps. This is our answer. It's clear? Now try to solve question number 9. Question number 9 is 20 mangoes weight 4.5 kg. So 20 mangoes weight equal to 4.5 kg. So 1 mango's weight equal to 4.5 by 25, and you know how to divide this number, and if I divide this number we will get 0.18 kg. Now how much do a dozen mangoes weight? So all of you know 1 dozen means 12. So 12 mangoes weight equal to, in this case we have to multiply. Okay, so 0.18 into 12. So if we multiply this number we will get 2.16 kg. So what is the weight of 12 mangoes? So weight of 12 mangoes is 2.16 kg. Understood? And you know how to multiply. Now try to solve another question. Try to solve question number 10. Here is the given question. The cost of a box of 24 eggs is 142.80. So 24 eggs cost equal to 142.80. So we have to find 1 egg cost. So 1 egg cost equal to 142.80 by 24. And you know how to divide this number? If we divided this number, we will get 5.25. Okay, now we have to find the cost of 6x. So 6x cost equal to, if cost of 1 pen is 5 rupees, what is the cost of 2 pen? 10 rupees. How we will get 10? 2 into 5. So in this case we have to multiply 6 into 5.25, and our answer will be 35.7. So this is our answer. Understood everyone? Now you can solve all the story sum of B. So your homework is exercise number 5.16 part B. Okay, if you have any problem, then call on WhatsApp me full freely. Understood everyone? Now bye, thank you.